What to do, everybody? Update my little Civic. Reason why I haven't been posting. The little Civic is down. Honestly, I really don't know what's wrong with it. Whenever I'm switching into gears, it feels super weak, and then whenever I'm like in first or second gear, letting go of the clutch and giving it a little gas, it starts making this fucking weird fucking noise. Like, I think it's the clutch. I'm hoping it's just the clutch, but yeah, I'm not entirely sure. She's been parked for a minute now. Yeah, that was a pretty rough. Yeah, I don't know. I'm debating if I should do a whole engine swap on it or just kind of try to figure out what's wrong with it. I don't know. I'm kind of tired of just dumping money into this fucking bone stock engine. So yeah, I'm debating if I should just, you know, go ahead and K swap it, either a K20 or a K24. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. She feels fucking hella rough. I don't even think this thing's gonna make it out to the fucking main street. Yeah, my clutch is definitely out. Yeah, boys, this is probably the last fucking ride we're gonna have in the little Civic for a while. Might as well full send. So used to driving my CRV that shit. just weird driving my Civic. Mean ass little Subi. But yeah.
FCC. Anybody that's claiming they getting it, man, stop with the ish, man. Your action show, man. It's gonna show. Bro, boy. FCC. Anybody that's claiming they getting it, man, stop with the ish, man. Your action show, man. It's gonna show. It's whatever. Let's get it.
You ain't nothing but a broke boy, broke, motherfucking boy, motherfucking boy, motherfucking boy, you ain't nothing but a broke boy, broke, motherfucking boy, motherfucking boy.